Hello everyone, this is Princey and today we will be learning about calculated field in pivot table. So here we have the sales data. Let us first create the pivot table out of it. Let's say OK, product, and let's put sales in the values column. Now what if we want to calculate the commission on sales, which is let's say 5%? So how will we do it? If we do it like this, and then if any new product is added to the list, then you'll have to extend your formula manually. So to avoid that, what we do is we add a calculated field in pivot table. So here in pivot table analyze, click on field items and sets, click on calculated field, and now you can name your field. So let's say commission on sales, and then our formula will be sales. You can double click here. Like if you want to insert sales, you just have to double click and say multiply by 5%. Click on add and click on OK. And your commission on sales is calculated automatically. And if a new product is added here, it will automatically extend it to that product. So you need not manually do it every time. This was the very basic use of calculated field. You can try using it in even more complex ways. Thank you. Thanks for watching.